everyone. We are the first batch of interns of the eYantra Design Sprint 2021. Our theme was the Smart Sense Kitchen, and our team comprises of Ankit Chawla and myself, Neha Vivi. As a part of this online internship, we have identified problems in the kitchen and worked towards designing a self-sufficient kitchen. So we began our internship by the first step of design cycle, which was to empathize the kitchen environment. After conducting a few primary surveys by discussing with friends and relatives and analyzing their kitchen and also trying to undergo secondary research in this domain, we identified two key problems, namely an ineffective kitchen waste disposal and a poor ventilation system. After conducting secondary market survey of the available products, we realized that our product will be more attractive to our early adopters if our products are automated for use, affordable and easy to handle. We went on to define our problem statement. We aimed at making a cost-effective, easy to operate, low noise generating and portable ventilation system. And for the kitchen disposal, we looked at an elegant, smart and automated solution that provided a reduction in volume, was user-friendly and compact in nature. We went on to identify our customer, which is known as the user persona. After working on a few personas, we finalized on a bachelor who stays on rent, who is looking for a solution to his ventilation problem. We wanted the solution to be cost effective and we did not want to invest in the house since it was rented. Therefore, we wanted to develop a product which was DIY in spirit. For the kitchen waste disposal, we chose a businessman to be our customer. His user persona helped us understand his lifestyle and key information such as living in a high-rise apartment that makes it difficult to dispose kitchen waste effectively. We chose this user because they want to practice a good waste management but do not have the space to keep food compost bins. So we wanted a solution which saves space and time. The ideation stage, we tried to solve individual needs of the user and then combine them into a single solution. Here we can see the different ideations made. So the gramophone design was inspired by the fact that younger generation enjoys listening to music while cooking. We also had an elephant-like structure that was inspired by nature for the ventilation system. Further, for the food recycler, we also had different kind of ideations for the blades, wherein we had curved spiral blades which were sharp in nature. We had the vertical type of blade and we had different external body structures for the same.
Further, we went on to the prototyping stage in which we got hands-on experience in working with metal. We used various tools and processes like drilling, metal cutting and welding for fabricating the product. And after assembling everything, we went on to the fifth stage, that is testing. For the kitchen waste disposal, user puts the waste into the machine from this opening. Then the machine sheds all the waste. After that, the piston compresses all the waste against a semi-permeable membrane to remove all the water content. Once everything is complete, the user can take out the processed waste, which is reduced up to 70% in volume from the container and can be used to provide nutrients to the plants. And for the ventilation, the device is equipped with smoke sensor for automatically starting and controlling the speed of the fan. Now talking about the user interaction, here is a small video. Final fabricated model of ventilation, user interaction. It has proximity IR sensor on the side so the user can control it with gestures. And here are our finalized design. For wet waste disposal machine, this is the exploded view for the same device and the transparent view. And for the ventilation, it is our finalized design. Exploded view for the same with all the internal components.
After making the full-size prototypes of both the projects, we went on to the marketing aspects of the product design. It is equally important to establish a successful and meaningful brand that adds value to our product. As the ventilation system aimed at being portable, light in weight and comes in a DIY form, it is native to every kitchen. Hence the name Native Vent. The kitchen disposal system aims at creating a form of manure that can directly be fed to plants and hence named Manura. The circles in the logo depict the circle of life wherein vegetable waste is used to give to plants.